Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to register for self-assessment in HMRC. So in order to self-register for HMRC, you have to follow this step. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and open up your browser. On the web address bar, type in www.government.uk/register for self-assessment. That's going to directly take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. And while you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go ahead and click on Start Now. When you click on Start Now, here you'll be provided with a list of questions, so you have to go through it and accordingly proceed on to the next step. When you're done selecting your option, click the Next Step button. Once again, you'll have some sort of information, so go through it and accordingly answer the following question and do the same thing, that is tap the Next button. After that, it's going to take you to this following info page, so you can go through it and here once again go ahead and select the option accordingly, and you can go ahead and click on create your tax account. After that, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you to enter in your email address. Click the continue button and move on to the next step. Here you need to go ahead and enter in your confirmation code. That's going to be sent through an email, which you have to go ahead and provide in the info. Once done, click on confirm, located right at the bottom. And once it is done, it's going to take a while in order to complete the registration process. And likewise, you can go ahead and provide in your social security number, all sort of information, and just follow the prompt and you'll have successfully registered for self-assessment in HMRC. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.